Hello everyone, welcome back to Hazel Embroidery. I'm Ritu Jain and we'll learn the back stitch today, one of the most useful stitches in hand embroidery. The back stitch creates a smooth continuous line and is perfect for outlining flowers, leaves, stems, lettering and many embroidery designs. Let's begin. Bring your needle up through the fabric at your starting point. Then take the needle down one stitch length ahead. Now bring your needle up one stitch length in front of that. Insert the needle back into the end of the previous stitch. Continue repeating these steps, always coming up one stitch ahead and stitching back into the previous stitch. Try to keep your stitches the same length for a neat and even line. For curved lines, make smaller length of back stitches, and for straight lines, you can make longer length of stitches. Don't worry if they are not perfect at first. Like every embroidery stitch, it gets easier when you practice it. Thank you for stitching with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to Hazel Embroidery for more beginner friendly embroidery lessons. Happy stitching!